الحمد لله رب العالمين القائل في كتابه المبين وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين والصلاة والسلام على نبيه الناصح الأمين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه والتابعين لهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. Dear viewer, we have observed in our research tab of the YouTube channel that there is the great volume of the people are searching about the Arabic speech, but they do not find anything as per their requirement. Therefore, we decided to start the Arabic speech series for the people who need the Arabic language speeches. So from today we will try to record our one Arabic speech per day as per the availability of the time. You are requested to watch our videos and record our speeches. If you have any question about the topic or about the speech, you can easily ask in comment section. You should remember one thing: we will try to deliver a speech, a beautiful speech on the required topics day by day. So if you did not subscribe to our channel, you should subscribe to our channel immediately, because you will find the great volume of the Arabic speech in coming days on our channel. So thanks for being here to watch the announcement of the Arabic speech series. Let's start our first speech in our coming video. Thank you.